Welcome to my video, a template for creating and sending QSL cards, or how to create a QSL card front and back using Microsoft Word. I like QSL cards because they're fun to receive and they're fun to send. It makes the QSO just seem just a little more human and a little more personal. So let's get started. There will be a link provided in the description along with this video that allows you to download a copy of my QSL card that you can use as a template. I would start there. This video assumes that you're using that as a template. My QSL card fits on a 5-inch by 3.5-inch postcard. If that's okay with you, you're done with this step. Otherwise, you'll need to go into the settings in Word and change the size of the page to fit whatever postcard you want. Step 2 is to change the background image for the front of your QSL card. Using the template, it's really easy because all you do is right mouse click over the background picture to change the image while retaining the dimensions, etc. of the picture. The right mouse click will pull down a menu that allows you to choose Change Picture. You will get a choice of sources for your image, including an image from your photo library, images from browsing the internet, or images from files that are on your hard drive or the cloud. In this case, I'm just going to choose the hot air balloons from the stock images. Voila! There it is. I have a new background. 3 is to edit the text on the front of the QSL card. The text that appears on the front of the QSL card is simply contained in text boxes that are inserted over the background image. You can change what's inside the text box by simply clicking inside the text box. The back of the QSL card consists of 2 tables. The top table contains information that rarely, if ever, changes. You can update this information to yours by clicking inside the cell. Once you edit the information for each cell in the table, you can save the postcard as an image or a PDF file. Please note that some systems require you to export rather than save as. A blank QSL card in PDF format with front and back pages uploads to the websites of most internet printing services. Once you have a QSL card edited so that there is the QSO information in all the cells and saved as a PDF file, you're ready to email it. And in my system, I keep a template with wording that seems to work. It's touchy because some people only want hard copies, while others are happy that you sent them anything. So my email says, I like to send everyone a QSL card in PDF format. If you want a hard copy, just let me know. I store the template plus all of the QSL cards that I send out in an email folder called QSL cards. In your email, all you need to do is change the to field, the subject line, the name of the person that you're sending the email to, and don't forget to insert the QSL card. Hope you found this helpful. If so, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, or watch one of my other videos. Until next time, signing off in 7-3.